So we got an '08 Honda Civic, and the rear view mirror has some issues. I want to just kind of show you. I don't know how typical this is with the '08s and similar years, but mine in particular is pretty bad, I would consider. If you can see that, I don't know how well it'll come through, but you got a lot of deterioration around the outside of the mirror. So I did go ahead and replace one. I'll get a replacement, excuse me. And supposed to just be able to move the mirror and then turn it like that, and it comes right out. So got a replacement here. Go ahead and got a 15 from the junkyard, so it does need to be cleaned up, but should go back on the same way. Pretty much just put it in at like a 90-degree angle. And then turn this guy. This should snap right around in place. There we go. So that's it. Much better. You can see this one actually is really solid, other than the grease pencil markings. It just needs a good bath. But yeah, this one actually don't know, very well upkept car, and don't know why. It seemed to be a garage kept car, but the mirror certainly got a lot of deterioration. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. Very easy to replace if you run into the same issue, and now you know how to get that replaced. God bless and have a good one.